Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful comparisons. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below, and remember, this is based on my personal experience. On Rome Tips today, we're tackling HSBC USA versus Northern Trust, which bank comes out on top. This video breaks down both institutions to help you determine the best fit for your specific financial needs. Find direct links to both banks in the description for easy access. Let's explore their features and see who they cater to best. HSBC USA is a global banking powerhouse offering a wide array of services. Their accounts, like the Premier Checking Account, are designed for individuals seeking a comprehensive banking experience. HSBC excels in its international capabilities, boasting fee-free global transfers, ATM access across the globe, and higher interest rates for clients maintaining larger balances. This makes HSBC a strong choice for frequent international travelers or anyone requiring robust international banking functionalities. However, HSBC's US branch network is somewhat limited, and maintaining higher account balances is often necessary to waive monthly fees, potentially creating a barrier for those with more modest balances. Alternatively, Northern Trust specializes in private banking and wealth management, primarily serving high-net-worth individuals and institutional clients. Renowned for personalized wealth management services, Northern Trust provides bespoke investment strategies, estate planning, and fiduciary services. They truly shine in offering in-depth financial guidance to affluent clientele, with a strong emphasis on trust and estate services. This makes them an excellent fit for individuals requiring sophisticated wealth management solutions. However, unlike HSBC, Northern Trust doesn't offer the same breadth of international banking or everyday banking services. Consequently, it's better suited for individuals with complex financial portfolios who require personalized financial counsel. In conclusion, HSBC USA emerges as a solid option if you prioritize global banking services, particularly for frequent international transactions. On the other hand, if you're a high-net-worth individual seeking comprehensive wealth management, estate planning, and personalized financial advice, Northern Trust delivers a more specialized, high-touch experience. Explore the links in the description below to delve deeper into both institutions and identify the bank that aligns perfectly with your financial aspirations.